This is the IpsiHand device for upper extremity motor rehabilitation for chronic stroke patients. The FDA has granted the IpsiHand as a breakthrough medical technology and has cleared the IpsiHand system for chronic stroke survivors who are adults 6 months post-stroke for upper extremity rehabilitation. The IpsiHand is a 3-part system which consists of a headset, a handpiece worn by the patient, and a tablet which guides one through their screening and daily therapy. This is how you set up the IpsiHand system. Doing it in this order will allow for a quick setup to begin therapy for your patient. Please make sure your patient is comfortably seated at a table prior to IpsiHand therapy. First, before powering anything else, place the headset on the patient's head like this. Ensure all sensors are facing and flush to the scalp. Once positioned correctly, then press the power button 2 times. After a brief moment, the LED indicator will flash blue. Power on the tablet by pressing the power button in the top left corner. The Neurolutions therapy application will start automatically. Last, put the handpiece on first by placing the index and middle finger in the finger tray and fasten the finger tray strap. Next, line up the wrist indicator with the wrist joint. Then, secure all straps starting first with the 2 forearm straps, and last, secure the palmar strap. You can adjust the thumb piece to achieve a nice C-curve in the thenar web space. Once the handpiece is on, power the handpiece by pressing the power button in the back. Here are the top 3 pro tips for using the IpsiHand. First, ensure that your patient uses the restroom prior to therapy. Second, ensure that the environment is quiet and free of distractions. And last, and the most important pro tip, do not power on the headset until it is dawned on your patient with the sensors in optimal positioning towards the scalp.